Are you a fluent German speaker with exceptional communication abilities? Exciting opportunities in customer tech support and sales await you in Greece. Join Patrique Mercier Recruitment, where we've established strong relationships with clients across diverse industries, ensuring our candidates have access to a wide range of opportunities. Our clients operate in various sectors: automotive, banking and AMP, finance, energy and utilities, media, online media, retail and AMP, e-commerce, technology, telecom, travel, hospitality, cargo, video games, content moderation, and aviation. For those living in Greece or willing to relocate, we offer a work-from-home option. Embark on a new career journey with just one click on the "Apply for this job" button. Your responsibilities: engage with customers through phone, chat, and email. Monitor and ensure the efficient and timely resolution of customer inquiries. Uphold high levels of customer satisfaction while representing a prominent brand. Foster and maintain strong professional relationships with all partners, displaying empathy throughout. Strive to achieve set targets defined by the client's statement of work and internal objectives. Your qualifications: proficiency in German, strong communication skills in English, exceptional communication and interpersonal skills, coupled with problem-solving abilities, computer literacy and tech savviness, resourceful and adept at multitasking. Thrive in a team-oriented, fast-paced and dynamic environment. What we provide: comprehensive support to facilitate your relocation to Greece, including coverage of flight expenses, hotel accommodations, and assistance with the house hunting process, all at no cost to you. Competitive monthly salary with 2 additional bonuses per year, healthcare benefits and various other discounts, fully funded training opportunities. If you are a German speaker with a passion for communication and customer service, seize this opportunity to join our team and take your career to new heights in the beautiful backdrop of Greece. Apply now